By the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم. The beloved and blessed Rasul صلى الله عليه وسلم ordered to refrain from singing and listening to songs, abstain from committing and listening to backbiting, and forbade from tale telling and listening to it. Shaykh Abdul Rauf Munawi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi stated, the listener of backbiting is also one of the backbiters, joyously listening to backbiting and saying words like yes, yeah, or making sounds like all classify as backbiting. Hearing such sounds of agreement encourages the person to backbite even further. Similarly, after listening to backbiting, displaying your delight or surprise are also sinful acts. For example, saying something like this with astonishment, I cannot believe that he's like that. I thought he was a good person. Listening to backbiting with great interest, showing surprised emotions and nodding your head serves as encouragement to the backbiter. In fact, the person sitting quietly in such a situation without any valid excuse under Islamic law will also be considered as a participant in this backbiting. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, may Allah have mercy upon us and help us refrain ourselves from backbiting. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
By the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah, by the grace of Allah.